Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a wallet address on Paxful. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Paxful app on your phone and now tap on this option of wallet. And from over here, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, and now you're gonna see all the currencies that you have up with you. Now from this interface, you're gonna tap on this option of receive on top. Then this option is gonna pop up. From over here, you're gonna select the cryptocurrency of which you would like to see the address of. Then you're gonna find that particular Bitcoin's that cryptocurrency's address, which also includes a QR code. You can choose to simply share that as well, otherwise copy the address and paste it and send it to whoever you like. And this is how simple it is to view the address. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Toodaloo.